Hello. I am going to hopefully show you what a saturated solution looks like. I've got two glasses of water that are both exactly the same size. I've got a chopstick to stir my water with. I've got a tablespoon measurer, and I've got salt. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of salt in each of my glasses of water. And I'm going to stir them. And what you should see as I stir them is the salt dissolving. So effectively, as you know, because we've done this in school, the salt looks like it's disappearing. It isn't disappearing. The salt molecules are spreading themselves out in the gaps between the water molecules. And that should become clear again. Okay, if I've done it right. There we go. This one is becoming clear. As the salt dissolves, the water becomes clear. Okay. So what we have here are two salt solutions. Left-hand stirring. Now, a saturated solution is a solution in which you can't dissolve any more of a solid into it. So at the moment, these are not saturated because you can see that there is no salt at the bottom of here. So all of the salt has dissolved. This one is taking a little bit longer. But if I then put more salt in, there will come a point where there are no more spaces between the water molecules for the salt molecules to fit. So the salt will not dissolve. There we go, that one's coming out. So if I now put, I'm just going to do this in one of them. If I now put another tablespoon of salt into there, so this glass has now got twice as much salt in as the other one. And what we should find is that this glass of water, the water in this glass is now a saturated solution because no matter how much I stir it, for how long, the salt in the bottom of there will not dissolve because there isn't any room for it to go. So that is what a saturated solution is. It's a solution that will not be able to dissolve any more of a solid into it. Okay. And there is still salt at the bottom of this. Even if I stop stirring and let this settle, the water will be clear, but you will still see salt at the bottom. So what we have is a unsaturated solution. All of the salt is completely dissolved, and a saturated solution where there is too much salt for the water too much salt in the water, so it can't dissolve.